Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Charger. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power sunroof, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, overhead console, cargo net, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.